Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my little mini series where I unbox 3 of this year's beauty Easter eggs. In the first video I unboxed the My Vitamins beauty egg, so I will link that in the eye above so that you can go and check that out. But today we are unboxing the Lookfantastic beauty egg. Now this retails for £65 for non-subscribers and I think it's £55 for subscribers, but if you take out a 3 or 9 or 12 month subscription with Lookfantastic, I believe it is, you actually get £10 off the egg. But the contents of this are worth over £220. So whether you get it for 65 or 55, you are still saving yourself a hell of a lot of money, especially if you are a skincare freak like I am. So at the time of filming this is available to pre-order. Now if you want this, buy it now, because last year they sold out so quickly, and like I said, I pre-ordered this and it came in like a really tight compact cardboard box with loads of packaging, and it actually comes in this really pretty like hexagonal pink box, which I will be keeping. I don't know if you can see, but it's got beauty egg embossed on the front of it, and it's also got it like written across here, and it's got a really pretty gold trim around the lid, and on the top it has LF for Lookfantastic. Now unfortunately my discount code doesn't work for this, but I will still link it in the description box below if you want to go ahead and get this for yourself. The link will be an affiliate link which doesn't cost you anything extra, it just really helps out my channel a lot. So I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to have a look in the box. I feel like I've bought a really expensive top hat. So when you take the lid off, like the first thing I can smell is eucalyptus. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. The egg is kind of held in place by this little compartment here, and then there's also tissue all around the egg as well, and it sits in like a little ring of cardboard as well to keep it in place. So really well packaged. This is the egg, which is insanely pretty. Again, it's metal and it's like a marble effect with gold paint all over it. It's so pretty, and it's got a flat bottom as well, so you can sit it and have it as like a little Easter decoration. This is the inside. Once you've opened it, it is literally rammed full of like luxury products, and I am just gonna start pulling things out of it. So the first thing is the Rodial Dragon's Blood Eye Gel. So this is a cooling gel which refreshes and hydrates tired eyes, and it has hyaluronic acid, arnica and haloxyl in it. I mean, I've only just learned how to pronounce hyaluronic acid, and skincare companies just keep coming out with new things and I can't keep up. So this is actually worth £64, so literally the price of the egg. Such nice packaging, like you can tell it's expensive. So this is something like I wouldn't purchase myself just as a one-off, because £64 for an eye gel, if you can afford that, hats off to you. So this lid just pops off. Here we go. I can't smell anything. There's like no scent to this at all. So that would be good if you've got sensitive skin. Feels really nice. It doesn't feel too greasy. It does feel like a gel obviously because it is, but it feels like a really nice thick hydrating gel. So it does what it says, which makes me happy. Now I don't know if the dragon's blood has anything to do with the fact that the beauty egg itself looks like a dragon egg, but either way that's cool. So the second thing in the egg, and the whole reason I bought it, is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Oil. This is the anti-wrinkle face oil for fine lines and wrinkles, and it has Padina pavonica, golden seaweed and roaring water kelp. Don't know what any of those are, but they sound amazing, and it replenishes, nourishes and smooths. Again, really nicely packaged. All of these expensive skincare lines, they really take the care and attention in the packaging. It's quite a small little bottle for £67. Again, something I wouldn't just buy myself as a one-off. But this is like a nice skincare step if you've got really dry skin before your moisturizer. Wow. If you own anything Pro Collagen by Elemis, it's the same smell, but if you don't, just close your eyes and imagine you've just walked into a spa and you're about to get covered in essential oils and someone's just handed you a green smoothie. I miss spas so much. Honestly, it smells amazing. I cannot wait to put that on. I'm not going to put it on my hands because I don't want to get everything oily. So excited to add this stuff to my skincare collection, which is getting out of hand. Next we have a hair care product. Now this is the Color Wow Kale Infused Dream Cocktail. So this is basically a serum and you're meant to put it on your hair when it is towel dried and you style it with heat to activate. Now I wonder if this works a little bit like the Brazilian blow dries. So if you've had or heard of a Brazilian blow dry, it's basically an intense protein treatment where protein is forced into the hair shaft and upon heat it swells, which basically makes the hair stronger, so it reduces frizz. It's not a straightening treatment, it's just a really intense keratin treatment, which I need a top up of. So I wonder if it is like that. So this reduces hair breakage by 50%. So when styling with heat products, good idea to use this to limit the damage. And this is worth £23. I don't speak French. I did French O-level, but I didn't get a very good mark. So I'm sorry if I am butchering the name of this, but this is the Kerastase Resistance Cement Thermique. So this is a resurfacing strengthening milk and it's blow dry care for damaged hair. So again, really, really good for me because my hair is highlighted. So that will be really nice to use next time I blow dry my hair. Really nice smell to it. It's quite fruity actually. What does this smell like? Love smelling products. That smells perfumey. It doesn't smell fruity or like any professional hairband I've ever smelled actually. It's quite a grown-up perfume smell. I don't know how to describe it, but this definitely smells nicer. Now this is a little 20ml tube and it's worth £4.80. So next we have my very first Eve Lom product. This is the Gel Balm Cleanser and you get 100ml of this and it's worth £45. So this says removes waterproof makeup, hydrates skin up to 12 hours after use and has a signature blend of 4 botanical oils. Now I am going to open this up and see what it looks and smells like. Wow, again the packaging is so nice. It's got like a canvas feel to it. It just feels expensive, basically. And inside the packaging, the cardboard has Eve Lom written all over it. This is what the bottle looks like and has a little pump dispenser. Hopefully the camera will focus on this rather than my face. Oh my god. I've just got a massive memory of walking down the shambles in York at Christmas time with a mulled wine. Is there clove in this? Why do you smell like Christmas? A hybrid gel to balm formula enriched with our iconic signature blend of clove. I'm like a bloodhound. Eucalyptus, that's what I could smell when I opened the... What? You saw how this was packaged? Maybe it was the Elemis stuff that I could smell. The two main scents that I get are definitely clove and eucalyptus. That's really nice. It started out looking like a gel, but quickly it's turned to like a really nice smooth balm, and it does feel really hydrating on my hand. I can't wait to take my makeup off today because best believe I will be using this. I've got a bottle of mulled wine in the cupboard as well. I know Christmas was 4 months ago, but does anyone even know the date anymore? So signature blend of clove, eucalyptus, hops and chamomile oil that gently and thoroughly remove all traces of makeup and other impurities. Fortified with a high dose of shea butter and grapeseed oil for their intensive moisturizing benefits, leaving skin feeling soothed and nourished. Whilst an enzyme blend assists with gently cleansing the complexion, and lecithin enhances the skin's condition and supports the skin's barrier function. Wow, such a nice product, and the packaging as well looks just like I would have that sat in my bathroom as a decoration. So now the issue is I want to try more Eve Lom products and see if they all smell like Christmas. Everything sits on this stuff, by the way. I don't know what it's called, but it's really pretty and you could probably reuse it for some gift packaging or if you were making Easter egg baskets. So the last thing in here is the Diego dalla Palma Il Rosetto de Lipstick. This is in the shade 46 and is worth £16.50. Smells like cocoa butter. That is such a pretty rosy colour. That is perfect for spring. I'm so glad we've got like a little peachy toned lipstick because more often than not, you tend to get like a nude lipstick in subscription boxes or these limited edition boxes. This is everything you get in the Lookfantastic Beauty Egg. I don't know how I'm managing to hold everything or why I'm holding everything up for you like this, but you're welcome. I am so glad I managed to get my hands on the Lookfantastic egg this year because it is so worth the money. Like I said before, I will link it in the description box below, and if you shop through my link, it helps me out a lot. But I would be quick because I have a feeling this is going to sell out really quickly. But anyway, that is enough from me for today. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my first unboxing of the My Vitamins Beauty Egg, and I will see you next time for the Glossybox Beauty Egg unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!